Welcome to Greaves Retailer Loyalty Program. So today we are going to learn how we can use the application. So first you can log into the application, enter your mobile number, and if you remember the password, you can enter the password, or you can use the forgot password, or you can log in with the OTP. So simply you can click with the login with the OTP. You will receive one OTP. So enter the OTP and click on the continue. So once you log into the application, here you can able to see the dashboard of that Greaves RLP application. So first option you can able to see the scan QR, then history, then redeem point, then my reward. Here you can able to see your my earnings. Okay, then you can able to see the point history. So we'll go one by one. So if you can able to see, we'll start with the scan QR. So once you click on the scan QR, the scanner will open and you have to scan the part. So like this you can scan the part. Okay, so once it is got scanned, you can able to see the part, how much point you got, you know, and which part you scan. So all this history you can able to see. So the same you can able to go to history. You can able to see the which part you scan, when you scan, how much point you earn. You can able to see here. Okay, then go to the redeem point. Here you can able to enter that amount and you can redeem the amount. So before I'll explain this, I'll let you know so how you can able to see. So here you have total points, total amount, available balance, available points. Okay, so once you go to the redeem point, you can enter the amount. So for example, 1084 amount right now I have available with me, and the minimum amount you can able to redeem is 300. Above 300 you can enter any amount. So I'll enter 300 rupees. Once you enter 300 rupees, just click to process to redeem, and here you can able to see the final breakout. Okay, amount breakup. So total amount you are going to redeem is 300. TDS deduction is 30 rupees and final amount 230. So that means 230 rupees, 270 rupees you can transfer to your bank. So once you successfully redeem, you will get this kind of message. Click OK, and here you can able to see in redemption history. So once you redeem, it will show under pending. Okay, then company will approve. Once it is approved, you will get a notification that your amount is approved, and then you can go to the my reward. Okay, and my reward, so here you have to enter your mobile number, and you will get a OTP. So you have to enter it. So just I'm entering here. So here I'll enter my mobile number, and click on the send code, and then you can enter the OTP. Okay, so you will receive the OTP. It's 998450. Click on login, so it will get login. So here you'll get this kind of image, that is a captcha image. You have to select. Once it is verified, you'll able to log in it. Okay, so here we have logged in. So here you have option to transfer the bank account. Okay, and if you have any query, you can just go to support. If any query related to redemption, you can call this number. And if you have any issue with the application, you can call to this number, or you can email to this number. Here some of the frequently asked questions is there. You can go through these questions if you have any doubts. And here you can check your profile. So under your profile, your PAN number, date of birth, everything. While doing the sign up, whatever you have entered, it will show here. And here is the referral program. So for example, if you have open account and if you want to refer one of your retailer friend, so you can just simply click on the invite, and you can share this referral code with your retailer friend. Okay, so you both will get thousand points. Okay, and if you want to change the language, here you have option to change the language. So multiple languages are there, so you can choose whichever the language you are comfortable. That's all. Thank you.